Kongsberg Defence Aerospace, a major Norwegian defense company, has recently announced an important contract with the Danish Ministry of Defence's Acquisition and Logistics Organization, or better known as DALO. The program aimed to deliver the Naval Attack Missile (NSM) armament, as well as its associated equipment, to the Royal Danish Navy's Iver Huitfeldt-class frigates. As we know, the deal to acquire the weaponry is estimated to cost around 179 million euros, or 2.1 billion Norwegian kroner. However, the project also marks a major step forward, certainly in improving maritime strike capabilities for the country with the capital of Copenhagen. The Iver Huitfeldt-class frigate, belonging to the Royal Danish Navy, is a modern multi-role warship equipped with advanced sensors and weaponry. Also, later they will be armed with sea attack missiles, NSM, to improve anti-ship capabilities in the future. In addition, several advanced system features on this ship, equipped with a comprehensive set of sensors, including a radar system capable of detecting and tracking for multiple targets in complex environments. Then, to facilitate operations, the ship is also equipped with an advanced command and control system, which can operate in a networked environment along with allied assets as well as when joining NATO. Well, for its armament, the Iver Huitfeldt-class frigate, equipped with the Odo Melara 76mm Super Rapid Main Gun, 32 Mk41 Vertical Missile Launcher Cells, VLS, for SM-23A surface-to-air missiles, and 24 VLS Mk56 cells for surface-to-air missiles, RIM-162 ESSM Evolved Sea Sparrow missile. Furthermore, there are also 2 launchers with 4 tubes for Harpoon anti-ship missiles, and 1 Oerlikon Millennium 35mm as CIWS, as well as 2 Mu-90 torpedo launchers. As a new addition to the acquisition, the Sea Attack Missile, NSM. This weaponry, developed by Kongsberg in collaboration with the German company DALO Defense. The missile, designed to be launched from surface ships, submarines, and also on land-based platforms, is certainly a versatile addition to the modern Danish Navy in the future. It is an advanced missile, which has long-range and precision-guided capabilities, designed for surface-to-surface combat, which can strike targets with very effective accuracy, even in messy or congested operational environments. When fired in the air, the missile can glide with a maximum range of more than 200 kilometers. With its missile capabilities, the Iver Huitfeldt-class frigate can attack enemy ships or important targets at long distances, even beyond the range of traditional weapons. Given its stealthy flight profile, it has advanced guided systems. It can quickly hit high-value targets, such as enemy ships or coastal installations, and it can also evade advanced enemy defense systems. To avoid accidents at sea, this ship has ASM-ARTL, Signal Multibeam Acquisition Radar for tracking, L-band radar. The main function of the radar system is to provide information and detect the enemy with a long range of incoming threats. In addition, there is also a multifunctional advanced phased array radar, as well as the Furuno navigation radar. This protection system complements each other in monitoring and tracking the enemy. Then, it is also equipped with the Atlas AS-094 sonar to detect the presence of submarines. In this regard, the hull on the Iver Huitfeldt-class frigate is designed to reduce radar signatures, infrared radiation, underwater sounds, and magnetic signatures, which makes these ships difficult to detect enemies. Also, for the design of the chimney, it was changed to prevent excessive steam impact from the SMART-L radar. When sailing, the propulsion of this frigate ship is equipped with 4 MTU 8020 volts M70 diesel engines, each with a power of 8.2 megawatts, which can travel up to 56 kilometers per hour, and is able to cruise waters up to 9,000 nautical miles, or about 17,000 kilometers at a speed of 18 knots or 34 kilometers per hour. To support the mission, the frigate also has a medium-sized helicopter deck and hangar for all 101 helicopters, and the deck can be landed by a helicopter weighing 20 tons. The Iver Huitfeldt-class frigate, which is a mainstay for the Danish Navy, was built in 2008 by a major industrial company, Odense Steel Shipyard. Denmark built 3 ships at once at the time, including Iver Huitfeldt F-361, Peter Willemoes F-362, and Niels Juel F-363. However, the Iver Huitfeldt-class ship itself is essentially built from the design of the Absalon-class ship, which was previously built in 2004. The Iver Huitfeldt-class frigate has become the backbone of the surface fleet of the Royal Danish Navy, offering a high level of capability in terms of air defense, anti-submarine warfare, as well as surface warfare. The acquired weaponry, such as the NSM missiles that will be in addition to Denmark, not only enhances the Danish military's capabilities, but also it will further strengthen the collaboration between the two countries, between Norway and Denmark in terms of modern defense technology. The Iver Huitfeldt warship, which will be equipped with NSM missile armament, makes Denmark the 14th country to adopt the missile, with a lineup of NATO and other allies, including Norway, Poland, Malaysia, Germany, the United States, Canada, Australia, Spain, the United Kingdom, and Latvia. Meanwhile, the reason for Denmark, this decision is also to replace the Harpoon missiles on ships. After all, the Harpoon missile has been performing its function for many years. The weaponry is considered outdated if we compare it with more sophisticated systems such as the NSM. The Danish Navy, of course, will be ready to be on the front line if a naval war occurs in the future. However, in addition to contributing to national defense, they can also play an important role in NATO's collective defense strategy as well as Danish maritime security.